Okay, a lot of this test has to do with percentages. I want to show you something. Okay? If we have a number line here, there's 0, there's 1, there's 2. There's a number line. Everybody knows number lines, right? If I have 50%, really, what does that 50% mean? It means halfway between 1 and 0, right? 50%. We just know that. What about 75%? 75% means about 3/4 away. What I want to show you is this. This is the secret. Every percentage comes between 0 and 1. Okay? So every percentage comes between 0 and 1. Think about it. If I have, well, 50% means 50 over 100. Okay? 75% means 75 over 100. What does 100% mean? 100% equals 100 over 100. 100 over 100 is 1, right? Duh. Guess what? There's 1. So every percentage is smaller than 1, but bigger than 0. Okay? Now that's important for you to remember. Because, let me show you. Question number 5. In quiz 3, question 5. It says 4/16 is what percentage? Here's another secret for this test. Whenever you have an answer, whenever you're looking for an answer for percentage, you have to divide. Okay? I have to divide. I have two numbers here. I have 4 and 16. Do I go 4 into 16 or do I go 16 into 4? Well, you know what? This looks normal. I don't want anything to, this looks normal, right? So I'd say 4 into 16 is 4. Do you remember when I said every percentage is between 1 and 0? 4 is not between 1 and 0. So therefore, for division, I got to do the 16 into 4. Remember, to divide 16 into 4, I'd say how many times does 16 go into 4? It doesn't. So I've got to put a decimal there. I have to put a decimal up here. And I couldn't put a 0 there. Okay? So how many times does 16 go into 40? 2. All right? 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 3 is 32. I subtract those. I have an 80. An 8. Okay, I need to add another 0. Bring that straight down. So how many times 16 go into 80? What times 6 ends with 0? 5. All right? So then I've got 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. So then I've got 0.25. What percent is 0.25? 0.25 equals 25%. So over here, we put 25%. What decimal is it? It's 0.25. So every percent is a decimal, is a 2-number decimal. Look, if it says 50%, that equals 0.50. If it says 35%, it equals 35.35. What if it says 5%? Okay, I'm going to put a decimal. Is it 0.5? No, because 0.5 is 50%. So it has to be 0.05. So 5% is 0.05. 50% is 0.5. Got to remember that. All right, so if we have 0.33 is what percent? 0.33? 33%. And what fraction? 33 over 100. See how easy percentages are. Percentages are so easy. How come in school I got C's? I can do this. Okay, look, I haven't said this before. Why am I teaching this class? The reason I'm teaching this class is because I understand that you don't know. Okay? I didn't get A's in school. I'm not one of these people that went to Harvard or Yale or all this bullshit. I got C's in math. I was just a normal student. I cruised along. But you want me to tell you what? You know what I got on the ASVAB? I got a 97. When I took the ASVAB by computer, I got a 97. When I took the ASVAB by paper, I got a 96. Why? Because it all is just so easy. Relax when you take this test. If you're a runner, before you take the test, go out for a run. If you like to talk, on the way, talk to people. Find some way to relax, some way to get rid of your stress. Because this is an easy test. I know it can change your life, but it's an easy test. Okay? All right, when we come back, we'll talk about exponents and how to add and subtract exponents, all that stuff. Okay.